Okay, boys. What are we making today? What are we gonna make? What else are we gonna make? What's this? We're gonna make cupcakes? We're gonna need agua there, yes. And what is this? Oh yeah? Frosting? Okay, so what do we need first?
This one.
That one too. Good job. Let me set up the camera here so we could do this. So I could get you guys. Alright, so what do we need? We need one box?
Yes.
We need to take all this stuff out. Okay? Let's take all this stuff. Okay? Okay, you hold on to this. It's okay. Okay. We're gonna open this. Okay, wait, this is how you make cupcakes. Okay? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, let's open this. Alright, Mommy needs the scissors. Let's get scissors. Scissors. Okay. Okay, ready? You want to put it in here?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Wow. Good job. Okay.
Wow.
Wow. Don't touch. Okay, hold on.
Mama.
Wait. Wait, why are you on his side? Stay here. Okay.
Mama, we're
gonna make cupcakes.
Yeah. No.
They have been asking me to make cupcakes for like the longest time. No, keep it here. Okay, now we need 1 cup of agua. Let's get a cup of agua. Okay. Let's get agua. Wait. 1 cup of agua. Do you want to put it in here?
Yes.
Careful. Wow. Wait. No, don't. We don't need this yet. And we need oil. Okay. All right, let's get oil. 1/2 cup of oil. Okay. Okay. 1/2 cup. Wait. Not yet. Oh, the oven's ready. Ready? Gentle. Okay, wait. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Now we need eggs. Can we get eggs? Where's the eggs? Okay. Wait. Yes. Woo.
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna break some eggs. All right, now we need 3 eggs. Wait. Mommy do it. Mommy do this. Mommy do this. Hold on. It's yucky. No, oh my gosh. Well, thank God these are just for us. See? That's what Mommy said. Okay, all right, wait. Wait, don't put it on me. Wait, don't move. Don't move. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait, no, you have shells in your hands.
I don't.
Okay. Wait. Mommy will do this one. Don't do it.
Mama.
No. You just wanna. Wait, we need 1 more. Wait. Last one. That's it. Ooh. So cool. Okay, that's it. We only need 3. Wait. Okay. We don't need that just yet. Okay. That's it, right? 1 cup of agua, oil. Okay. You could do that for a little bit. Go ahead, Mom's gonna get the machine so we could.
Please.
Okay, this is later. Later, okay? We're gonna need this. Wait a minute. Wait, no, we don't need this anymore. Leave it there, okay? Okay, no, we don't need that, Nene, not yet. This is later. This is when we put it in the pan. Okay, now you guys, why is this so hard? Okay, wait. Keep it like that. Jeez, I haven't used a hand mixer in forever. Okay, we got it. Okay. Now we don't need this. Let's take this out. this out. We don't need it right now. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. Ready? You wanna hold it? Wow. Okay, your turn now, Noah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, you both want to do it. You're doing it. Wow. Wow, boys. You're doing so good. Wait. Okay. All right. Hold on. Okay, now mommy has. Wait, we're not done yet.
What's next?
Nat, wait. We're not done yet. All right. Wait a minute. Okay. One more time. No, 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 no. That's not it. Hold on. Okay, a little bit more. That's it. A little bit more. There you go. Go ahead. Wow. You're doing so good, boys. Come on. Okay, okay, alright. I'm sorry. No, don't put your finger. There you go. You gotta move it. Gotta move it in there. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, let's see now. Now mommy do this quick. Yeah, they're still stuck in the bottom. Alright. Wait. Yeah, we're almost done. Okay. Oh. Alright. Okay. You wanna lick it? Go ahead. You wanna lick it? Uh-oh, it's gonna fall. Go ahead, you wanna lick it? No, 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 no.
Mama.
Go ahead, you can lick it. Go.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. That's it. That's it. All right. Let's put this over here.
Cookie.
Okay, don't touch it. What? Okay, wait.
Eat cupcakes.
No, not like that. Not like that.
Mama.
Okay, now let's put this on the side. Wait, not done yet. Okay, now you guys could do this. Look at your face. Okay, now you guys could put these inside. Okay, ready? Here. The heck? This is weird. Okay, this is how it goes. Like this. Why is this thing so difficult? Okay, okay. No, 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 no. Together. They need to be together. Together. Like this. No? What? Why'd you do this? Okay, mommy will do this part then. This is not a fun part. I'm gonna do this quick. Hey boys, you excited for cupcakes? Hey, are you excited for cupcakes?
No.
No? Why? You're mad because you have to wait? Let me see. What's in the box? Gaby, are you saying hi to the cupcakes? What happened? What are you doing now? Huh? No, we can't take it.
Mama.
What? What? Come on. You're gonna decorate? You excited to decorate? Yes? Yes, you guys sit over here, so we could decorate it, okay? Let's sit down. Here, no, here. Here, you wanna try the frosting?
So, that's what.
Yeah, you like the frosting? Okay. Go. Oh, yes. Okay, no, we have to decorate. Okay, let's decorate. Let's get, let me see, where's your little spoons at? Wait, no, not yet. Not yet.
Right.
Not yet. Let mommy get you a spoon. Great, these are all forks. All right. Here, hold on. Here. Okay, what are you gonna do? Listen, look at my mind. Look. You're gonna get a little bit of the, hold on. No, not that one. Here, no. You're gonna decorate, boys. Look. You're gonna go like this, and then you're gonna go like this. All right, decorate. Where's your spoon? No. You gotta decorate your cupcake. Like this. No. Like this. Okay, now decorate. Go ahead. Decorate. Here. No! Oh my goodness, no! You gotta decorate this first. Here, look. No, not that one. Nene, you gotta decorate your cupcake, not eat the spoon.
No.
Just a little bit. Okay. All right, mommy will decorate this then. Wow, okay, that's enough. Jeez. It's a lot of sugar. Wow, look at these cupcakes. Okay, wait, we need sprinkles. Where's sprinkles? All right, that's enough. Why are you eating your brothers? Thank goodness you guys are eating these. Wait, mommy do sprinkles. Okay, all right. No, you don't. You're supposed to put it in a cupcake. Oh my Lord. Okay, that's it. That is it. Okay, now, you guys want to eat it now? Okay, wait, let mommy take this off. What was the point of this thing? I don't get it. Okay, wow, it looks really yummy. Okay, let me take it off. Wow, this actually looks really good. Okay, hold it. It's not that hot.
It's tapioca.
Wow, this looks so good. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Bruce.
No, eat it. Eat it with your hand. Eat it. Wow. Let me see, Noah. Eat it. Big bite. Big bite. Oh, you guys are loving it. No, no more sprinkles. You loving it? Yum.
No.
Oh, yum. Okay, say thank you for watching. No? You guys are... Say thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, you're welcome, Nene.
Thank you, Mama.
Say please subscribe. Say please subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe.
Yes.
Yes. Mwah. Thanks for watching, you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these little cutie pies, my sweet twins, making some sweet cupcakes. You know what to do. Click below, like, comment what is your favorite cupcake. And that is all, y'all. Bye.